Hello beautiful glam girls, we're back today with another haul. This time we have IKEA. So I don't typically do IKEA hauls too often. Let me move so my head covers the ring light. So I usually will do IKEA hauls like more in the Christmas season, but I do sometimes go and periodically get certain things I need that I really like to get from IKEA. So I actually got some really cute stuff that I want you guys to see. I'm really excited to share. So let's jump into it so this video is not too long. So first I just picked up this curtain rod. This is gonna be for the kitchen. We got rid of what we had going on in there. It was a mess in there. So I didn't find kitchen curtains there because I do want something that's maybe like mid-length. I don't know what kind of situation I want, but I knew I needed some type of curtain rod, and these are really inexpensive and they do the job. It's just like a basic white. So next I picked up some wine glasses. They're like in the same family but different styles and different sizes. So this is the white wine glass. It's so beautiful. I love the shape of this. Look how it makes my face look. So I love the shape of these. They have to be washed, obviously. I just brought them home, but they have like flat bottom, as you can see, and then they have like almost like a cone shape with a smaller opening. Really nice, like, you know, long. It's not super long, but it's a long stem, and just a really nice, beautiful, classic white wine glass. You could also do rosé in this. I mean, you could do whatever you want, but they are for white wine, and these were $3.99 each. They're so beautiful. They look so expensive. I also got 2 of these, which are the red wine glasses. So again, these have more of the rounded bottom because that's better for the red wine. And then they also have the bulbous part here, and then a bigger opening so that the wine can aerate, because red wine is better when you let like the oxygen hit it. That's why you see people like stir the glass. So just so beautiful. Oh my God. They're big, like you can see compared to my hand, they're big. So I got 2 of each. Again, I believe they're both $3.99. This one might be $4.99 because it's bigger, but I love them. And the glass is really nice. You hear that? Like the glass is nice, not too thin, not too thick. To me, these look just as good as the ones I've gotten at Crate & Barrel and more expensive stores like Williams-Sonoma, stuff like that. Next, I picked up some kitchen towels. So I love these. They're very cloth-like, and they are a nice thin material. I also love this little detail of the hook on these because I do have a lot of hooks in my kitchen. So I love that I could hook it up on the wall, or I have like this shelf that has hooks underneath, and I put like my oven mitts on there, and I think this will look really cute hanging from there to dry. It gives your kitchen like a really nice organic feel. It feels like a cook's kitchen, and I really like that. And then I also love these to clean up, to dry the dishes, or also to clean. So I got 3 of them so I can have one for each thing. So one will be like to clean up around the kitchen, the other could be for drying, and then the other could be the alternate for when the other 2 are dirty. And these were only 75 cents, I think, or 76 cents each. Really nice, classic with a little red stripe. Again, cloth material, 100% cotton. So yeah, love them. So I also picked up some medium-sized towels for the bathroom because I wanted to get some smaller ones that could be used as like hand towels / decor. And these are really nice. They have this cute little detailing at the bottom that gives it a little bit of a more chic, organic vibe. So it has like this stripe pattern of like a beige material across, and then it has one nice black straight line, and that's on both sides, or either side of the end of these. And then the towel itself is just like a basic white, and these are not very soft, they're more sturdy and stiff, so you could use these to clean as well. I think they'll look really nice just like folded up, like stacked as well. So yeah, and again, these have the little hooks on them, so if you want to hang them in the bathroom on the wall or something, they can be hung, and I think they look really chic. I think these were $4.99 each. Next, I picked up this really beautiful plate. I don't even know. I only got one because to me, these aren't a plate that I would really put food in. So I didn't think it was necessary to get 2 for like people to have a meal. I feel like this would be better as like a catch-all or some type of decor piece in the kitchen. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do with it, but I really wanted to show you guys, to be honest. And I wanted one. I just thought it was so pretty, and I think it was only like, again, $5 or less. I'm pretty sure this was only like $5 or less. It's so beautiful. It has a little bit of like some height to it with this nice little base here, so it does stand up. It's not wobbly. And I just thought it was so beautiful. I mean, I don't know, guys. Look at that. So cool. I believe it is like bamboo. It's made in Vietnam, so I'm pretty sure it's bamboo. But it's just so beautiful. I love the texture of it. It's completely like a wood kind of feel to it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I think this would be so pretty in the bathroom or the kitchen for like a place to put utensils, or like if you're having a dinner party, you could put the napkins on here. I don't know. I like this. Or even as a really simple catch-all in your house for like your keys. This is just a really pretty piece. It's super lightweight, super inexpensive, a good one. I also picked up one of these really cool dome, like glass domes, because I've been wanting a candle that has a dome like this, and they're so expensive. When you buy a dome candle, they're like ridiculous, and there's no reason to spend that much when you can buy a cheap, beautiful white candle, rip off the label, and then put this on top. I want to say this was $6.99, $7.99, something like that. Not expensive at all. Could be even less than that. Let me open it really quick so I can show you guys what it looks like. This is the whole piece. It comes just like this on its own, and it's literally just like a dome cover that's glass. And you could put this over a really nice like candle near me right now, but I'll insert a clip of like a candle, and then you put this over it, and it just immediately adds this really chic vibe. It gives it like this apothecary, natural, really just cool vibe. Really, you know, this can go for like glam, modern, chic, contemporary, so many different vibes. And they're just, you know, you can do so many things with this, and it's just so pretty and simple, and a great way to DIY like those expensive looking candles without paying so much, because it's literally just a glass dome on top of a candle. All right, I always get my tea light candles in bulk from IKEA, so I picked up 2 packs of these. I think these are $3.99 each for 100 of them, and they're scentless. I always buy scentless for the bathroom, and I put a bunch of them on when I take a bath, and it's just so nice. These are also great for warming up scented oils or wax. So inexpensive, and I buy them, like I said, 2 packs, and they last. These will probably last me like until almost the end of the year. I picked up a couple more towels. These are actually bath towels, and these are just really like simple, plain $5 white towels. They do the job, just because I just bought some new shelves for the bathroom, and I wanted to fill them up with white towels, and also I wanted new bath towels. Then I also got these for the actual shelves in my bathroom. I'm not sure if they're gonna fit, but I had this idea of like stacking the smaller white towels inside, not rolled up like this, actually like folding them and stacking them. So the shelves have 3, the entire unit has 3 shelves. So at first I was like, oh, I'll buy one for each shelf, and then I'm like, I think that's too much. So I think I'm just gonna do the bottom shelf or the top shelf on each one, like this. So it'll be like this on the top, and then white towels on each one, and then the other shelves will have other storage in it, just to break it up a little bit. These are so cute. So I don't know what these are supposed to be, but they're little like storage baskets that are really short and little. They were styled in IKEA as like napkin holders for like a dinner party. They had big napkins stacked in here, and it looked really nice. You could do anything you want with this. Obviously it can be used for, again, holding utensils if you're having a party. I mean, you could do so many things with this. Just use it as decor. Put perfumes in here if you have a very organic vibe in your house. Instead of like getting a metal tray or a glass tray or a mirror tray, you get this and use it as a tray. So there's so many things you can do with it. I'm gonna use it in the bathroom. Hopefully it works out. I haven't tried it yet. I came straight home and filmed. That's why I'm talking so fast. But I'll put a clip in here if it works out so you guys can see what it looks like. Next, I picked up this really cool plant. So it's actually the plant, and then the planter was a separate piece, but somebody left this on the checkout line, and they had put the plant inside of it. And I grabbed it thinking it was like one whole piece, but then at the checkout counter, he was like, no, it's 2. And I'm like, relax, nobody's trying to steal nothing from IKEA. But anyway, I love this plant. It's a really beautiful, like light, pale, muted, minty green, like eucalyptus. And I love how long it is. I don't have anything like this, like super long and just Oh, I love the color. So I'm gonna put this, I think, in the kitchen on one of my shelves so that it can, the leaves, the vines can just flow like on the wall, and it's just gonna look so cute. When I saw it, I'm like, ooh, I need that for my kitchen. So yeah, I love the planter as well. It's a really pretty, like shadowed, 3D textured gray and white, or like, not gray and white. It's like gray and, I don't know, like a light cream color. Yeah, so you guys see how it has like this shadowed look to it, and then it has this really pretty like 3D texture. Just such a pretty planter. Whoever put this together, good one. So thank you, because now it's mine. Next, I picked up a set of sheets. It's coming off a little bit pink on camera, but it's a really beautiful beige color. So if you're looking for like a really true, beautiful, like cool, muted gray beige, this is the perfect color. So this one is called, I think it's called beige, like straight up beige, but it only came in this set. So this one is the Grand Du Places set, and this is the 600 thread count. So they have a 100, a 300. I think they have a 1, 2, 3, and then 5 and 6 count. So they have like a bunch of different levels of like thread count, and I wanted to get this one because it was really soft, and I think this set was $60. So not super inexpensive, but definitely worth it because we're gonna be putting our skin on the bed and our bodies, and I want it to be comfortable. But my point is that it comes with a fitted sheet, a loose sheet, and then 2 pillowcases, and the color is just divine. It's the perfect muted, like nudie beige gray color. Another towel. At least I picked up this tray. So this is a wooden tray that you're supposed to use for like breakfast in bed, and that's how they had it styled everywhere. And I've been looking for a tray like this for a while, and I'm wondering if I could use this in the bathtub as well. I'm gonna see if it works in my bathtub. I got it for us to have breakfast because sometimes, you know, you just want to on the weekends just lay in bed and drink your coffee and eat breakfast in bed together. So I'm like, why not? Let's try it out. It was 20 bucks. Really nice wood. That's everything, guys. I got some really good stuff. I'm loving this organic vibe. Everyone has a lot of like baskets and organic this and cotton that and just so many beautiful things. So I'm like going out of my mind. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much. Don't forget to stay glam and like this video. Bye.